Hi children, this is the third part of our previous chapter, What is round, what is long. I am Aman. Our today's class is based on some activity. We are clear with the terms rolling and sliding. Let's see what rolls and what slides. Here comes your first object. It's a tomato. I am going to put this tomato over here. Let's observe what happens. Oh, it rolls. तो हम लोगों ने देखा टोमेटो रोल करता है क्योंकि यह राउंड शेप में है. नाउ लेट्स डू द सेम एक्टिविटी विद अ हाइलाइटर. Hey, it slides. Why? Because it has a flat shape. It means the objects with round shape roll and the objects with flat shape slide. What do you think about this coin? Does it slide or roll? Let's put it over here and watch. Oh, it slides. But what if I keep it this way? Surprisingly, it rolls. It simply means there are things which both roll and slide. Look at this sail. Let's put it like this way. It slides. No, it rolls. What if we keep the sail this way? Why not you try out these things by your own and make a list what can slide, what can roll and what can both roll and slide. हम लोगों ने देखा कुछ ऑब्जेक्ट्स रोल कर सकते हैं, कुछ ऑब्जेक्ट्स स्लाइड कर सकते हैं, वहीं कुछ ऑब्जेक्ट्स रोल और स्लाइड दोनों कर सकते हैं. The remaining part of this chapter will be covered in the next session. Till then, bye bye.